This is your sign to chase your dream career. Zoom is hiring a remote position offering, get this, over $276,000 a year to work remotely. And guess what? This position can be yours. I'm going to break down all the details in this video, so stick around. You are not going to want to miss this one. So if this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. I'm Sharice, and I help professionals just like you land six-figure jobs with confidence and with ease. And when I tell you this is a good one today, Zoom is hiring a remote position, $276,000. Yes, you heard that right. $276,000. So I do want to say, for a position of this caliber, you are going to have to rewrite your resume. Your old, tired, used, generic resume will not cut it. You are going to have to write your resume specifically for this position. And if you need help with that, I got you. I got you covered. I have my DIY resume kit linked below. It's going to come with templates for your resume, your cover letter, your reference pages, and it's going to come with a list of keywords, paraphrases, and pre-written experiences that you can plug and play and tailor specifically to this position. And if you need even more help and a personal professional touch, I have my one-on-one consultation and rewrite session where I will rewrite your resume for you. And on that call, we'll also work on your interview skills because I know you are going to get this one. This one is just for you. So before we get into the details of today's position, I like to start out my videos with a little bit of motivation and inspiration while we're on our job search. So today's quote comes from Les Brown, and he says, "Don't let someone else's opinion of you become your reality." We are not going to let what other people say and what other people think become our reality. Maybe you have a job in a different industry or a unique background. We are pivoting to our dream careers, and we're not letting anyone tell us how we should live our life, how it should work, what we should do. We are going out and we are chasing our dreams. So let's look at the details of this job because this could be your next dream career. So the title of this position is Zoom Up Partner Program Manager, and this is going to be with the Sales Support Division. So the Zoom Up Partner Program Manager, again, this is a remote position full time. So let's look at what you can expect. The Zoom Up Partner Programs Manager plays a key role in the design, management, and evolution of Zoom's partner programs with a focus on driving partner engagement, performance, and long-term success. This is a senior level role, and you're responsible for building and evolving Zoom's core partner program, which is called Zoom Up, to ensure it supports partners' growth and rewards their investment in Zoom's products and services through objective and equitable criteria. This position requires strategic thinking, cross-functional collaboration, and a deep understanding of SaaS channel models. So that is great information right there for us to put on our resume. Strategic thinking, cross-functional collaboration, and a deep understanding of SaaS channel models. And if you do not have maybe a extensive history with SaaS channel models, this is a great time to go online, go on Google and look up the different SaaS channel models that are out there and see, well, maybe you have done some work here, some work there, or you are familiar with them. But we're going to dive into the details of that a little bit later. But that's just something to note as we're looking at this description. So about the team, at Zoom, we help a variety of customers and partners bring modern communications and collaboration solutions to their organizations. We provide our customers and partners with the opportunity to be immersed in our innovations and unlock how Zoom can help transform their business. So let's look at the responsibilities. And I love how they have bulleted out these lists. So this is great information to put directly on our resume and show how we have transferable skills to match what they are asking for and what they're looking for. So let's look at the first one here. Partner program design and development, leading the design and evolution of the Zoom Up Partner Program by assessing business needs, applying best practices, and creating program operation framework across resale, referral, service provider, and strategic alliance partners globally. You're also going to develop financial and value exchange models, core program documentation, and ensure alignment with internal stakeholders. And also continuously assess and improve program structure to meet partner and business needs in alignment with Zoom's GTM strategy and be competitive in the market. So this is quintessential program project management information here. So if you have those skills from your previous position or a previous career you have done, you can absolutely tailor them to this position. Next, they're looking for program implementation and cross-functional collaboration, ensuring smooth execution of partner programs across sales, IT, enablement, and leadership teams. So you're going to be collaborating with these teams to deliver key program components and drive operational enhancements with the focus on of ease of doing business and partner self-service. You're also going to oversee the ongoing deployment of programs and integrate the developing services channels models into the core Zoom Up program. So a lot of cross-functional, cross-department collaboration happening here, and they want you to be comfortable with working with different teams, different types of people on different levels. So next, they're saying you're going to be responsible for performance monitoring and compliance. That's defining and implementing a compliance framework to measure partner performance against program requirements. Establish processes for partner contracts, price lists, and communications. Develop and launch tools to monitor, report, and drive continuous program improvements to align with partner needs and drive desired partner performance. So yes, this is also great if you have done some kind of performance metrics monitoring, continuous improvement in your previous position, or even if you have done it and not know that was what you were doing, you can tailor this kind of experience you have from a previous job. You can tailor it to this position on your resume. That's going to be important here. The next says partner enablement and training, partnering with the enablement team to create and maintain partner training programs that align with Zoom Up requirements. Develop and own all program related documentation, including program guides and performance reports. So here again, if you have done some sort of documentation and maintaining guides and maintaining reports, that is going to be also a very key specific information you're going to want to put on your resume. And lastly, cross-functional leadership and stakeholder management. You're going to collaborate with sales, finance, legal, marketing, operations, and product teams to ensure alignment on partner program strategy, execution, and continuous improvement. You're also going to report on Zoom Up program performance in business reviews with leadership. So you're going to be an advocate for this Zoom Up program, and you're going to be out working with all different types of teams to make sure that everybody's in alignment and that the goals are being achieved. So if you have done that before in your previous position, whether it was at a job or at some kind of club you're part of or an organization you're part of, if you have that leadership experience, that is going to be key to highlight on your resume as well. So let's look on down to what they're looking for. What are the qualifications for this position? So first, they want you to have 10 plus years of experience in partner program management, specifically within the SaaS industry. Next, they want you to have experience working with various partner types, including referral, resale, distributor, services, carrier, and strategic alliance across multiple regions. Be able to show a track record of designing and managing partner programs that drive growth and partner satisfaction, also in a fast-paced, hyper-growth environment. They want you to be a strategic thinker with a sales-oriented mindset capable of balancing long-term vision with day-to-day execution. If you are a problem solver, if you are a go-getter, if you have a track record of managing, maintaining these types of programs, that is going to be key to put on your resume. And if you've done something similar, maybe in a different context, you can absolutely tailor that experience to your resume. But they're saying be able to show analytical skills with the ability to synthesize data, partner feedback, and internal insights to improve programs. Next, they want you to have experience in SaaS channel models, including understanding program operations, policies, and best practices that drive alignment with go-to-market strategy. Next, they want you to have attention to detail in addressing business needs, developing programmatic processes and operations, and in documentation and presentation materials. Demonstrate excellent communication and presentation skills, ability to influence all levels of the organization. If you are someone who has vision, who loves to speak about your ideas and your vision and get people on board with you, this is going to be a great position for you. And lastly, demonstrate leadership abilities to align teams and drive results. So if you have this experience and these type of skills, and I promise you for a position like this, they are looking for someone who is a go-getter, who is an excellent communicator, who has excellent leadership abilities. And if you have done something similar to this, I encourage you to apply. They want people who have the skills, who also have the tenacity, the excitement, the enthusiasm, the passion to do this position. It's not always about what kind of degree you have, what kind of education you have, because clearly they did not list an education requirement here. They're looking at your experience, your skills, and what kind of leader you really are going to be on this job. So that is what we would put on your resume. And again, you are going to need to rewrite your resume specifically for this position, because this is a good one, y'all. And if you need help writing that resume, again, I have my DIY resume kit linked below. You're going to get those templates, and you're also going to get the plug and play keywords, pre-written experience sections, and the paraphrases to insert to your resume. All you're going to have to do is take your previous experience and rewrite it and tailor it specifically to this position. So what they're saying here, what they're looking for, you're going to want to make sure you use some of these keywords specifically in your resume. And again, speak to the experience you have and the type of leader, type of person you are. That is going to be golden for when you submit your resume. And if you're thinking, okay, Sharice, this sounds like a tall task that I might not be able to do on my own, I got you covered. I have my one-on-one resume rewrite session and consultation where we'll get on Zoom. We're going to go through your experience and what you've accomplished, and I will rewrite your resume for you specifically for this position. So I got you covered here. You can apply to this job. You got this. Either write your resume or I can help you do it to get this position. So let's look on down to the compensation and the salary. So the range for this position is going to range from $126,500 all the way up to a staggering $276,700. This is a great opportunity. And when you go in and look at this position, I encourage you to read below. Zoom also lists their benefits. They're offering full benefits. They're saying they want to make sure that you maintain your physical, mental, emotional, and financial health, support your work-life balance, and contribute to the community in meaningful ways. So that is a great list of benefits. And y'all, this job may not last long. They have the anticipated position close date here. They're saying the window for this job will be open at least 5 days. It can absolutely be open longer, but I encourage you to go in and apply for this now. You're not going to want to wait on this one, because I promise you this is a great position and it will not last very long. You need support rewriting your resume, because you are absolutely going to have to rewrite your resume for this position. I have the resume DIY template kits linked below in the description, as well as a link to book a call with me. We'll get on Zoom and we will talk about your experience, and I will rewrite your resume for you specifically for this position. I am in your corner. I am rooting for you. And like Les Brown said, don't let someone else's opinion become your reality. You got this. This could be your dream position. So do not wait. Do not sit on this one. If you like these jobs, if you like these types of positions, please like this video. Also, subscribe to this channel because I put out new videos every single week. And again, they're not going to last long, and you do not want to miss your next dream career. Well, thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.